Are you struggling to get subscribers? Relax, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your first 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right. With this strategy, you're not going to use paid ads, you're not going to use spammy promotions, and you are definitely not going to beg people to subscribe. Now, here is the part most people don't know. You can actually gain subscribers by using other people's trending videos, and YouTube is not against it. What YouTube is against is using other people's videos without adding value. That's why many small channels fail. They repost videos without saying anything, without adding context, and without adding their own voice. And because of that, YouTube doesn't recognize the video as original content. Hence, you end up with a strike. But when you add value, when you explain about the video, when you react about the video, when you educate about the video, or when you give your own opinion about that video, the video become your content and YouTube will be happy to push it. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 powerful methods to do this. The first method is where you show your face, and another is where you don't even need to be on camera. We will be using viral videos from platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Videos that already have traction, so you are not starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what not to do, and how to turn these videos into real subscribers. If this sounds like your vibe, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, and let's jump straight into it. So in this coming clip, I'm going to show you the exact 2 methods. First off, let's head to Instagram and download a video that is in line with our niche. We can either choose to download the video so that we can go and use it in our editing app, or you can choose to screen record it. For me, I'll download the video. Let's assume we are into the beauty niche. Let's go with this video. The first thing we are going to do is to download the video. And to download it, click on that arrow, then copy the link. After the link is copied, we are going to close this video. Then we are going to head to InSaver. InSaver is an app that you can use to download videos from Instagram. This is the InSaver app. You can use this app to download videos straight from Instagram. So let's click on the app. Paste the link that we have copied from Instagram right here. Then click on download. I really hope it downloads so fast. Wow. The video is downloaded. Like I told you, you can either choose to download it or to screen record it so that we can go and edit it further on our editing app and use it ahead on our YouTube to gain those subscribers, right? The video is already downloaded and it is in our gallery. What we are going to do is to head over to the editing app. So let's close the InSaver. So what we are going to do is to head to InShot. InShot is our editing app. We are going to use InShot as our editing app. You can either choose to use InShot, CapCut, whichever editing app you prefer. I prefer InShot. So let's go with the InShot. Let's click on it. Then we are going to click on New so that we can import the video that we want to react on. So this is the video we want to react on. Let's select it, and it will be brought into the app. What we are going to do here is to react on this video. And to react on this video, you can come here and click on Pip. Then pick a video that you already created while reacting on this video. Assuming we created this video, that is the video of us adding some value on the original video that is not ours. By posting this on your YouTube channel as a short, it's gonna give you those subscribers that you think are so difficult to get, right? The second way you can do this to add some value on this video without necessarily showing your face, we are going to say something about this video without showing our face, just our voice, and this is what we are going to do. Click on audio, then click on record. You can start recording now.
Wow,
these guys really did an amazing job on this hair. Look at that. Look at that. What do you have to say? Look at that. Wow. 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 Look at that. Wow. So elegant. So bright. So shining. Wow. Like that. By doing that, you shall have added some value on that video, and then go ahead and upload these videos on your YouTube Shorts, and trust me, you are going to gain subscribers, those subscribers that you think are so difficult to get. This is a video that is already gaining traction from where we brought it from, Instagram. If you bring it back to YouTube, it's going to gain those traction, and YouTube is not going to give you a strike because you've added some value on this video. Yes, the video is not yours, but you've added some value to it, which YouTube is not against. Wow, these guys really did an amazing job on this hair. Look at that. Look at that. What do you have to say? Look at that. Wow. 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 Look at that. Wow. So elegant. So bright. So shining. Now that you've learned the two methods, when you are picking these short videos, make sure you pick videos that are in line with your niche, so that you can be able to link them to related videos on your channel. This way, you'll be able to gain subscribers that will not only be watching your shorts, but will also be watching your long form videos. But if you don't do it that way, if you post shorts that are not in line with your niche, you will get subscribers, no doubt. But those subscribers will only be interested in your shorts. They will not come back to watch your long form videos. Apart from those two methods that I have taught you, there are also other two ways that are almost similar to those methods. That is the use of collab, whereby you can go to YouTube Shorts and pick a short that is going viral, pick a short that is gaining traction, a short that is already going viral, then you can use it as a collab on your channel. There is a feature on your channel that allows that. It is almost similar to what I have taught you. It is like adding value to that viral short that you have picked to use. We call it a collab. Not only that, you can also allow remixing, whereby you can use other people's videos to remix. That way, you'll also be gaining traction. YouTube is not against all these methods that I am telling you here, the collab method and the remix method. That's why they have placed all those features into the system. These are features that they have put there to make it easier for YouTube content creators to gain traction. They are not things that people came up with. They are things that are there inside YouTube, the collab and the remix. If this video gave you some value, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on my next upload. Watch this next video if you want to know some other ways of gaining subscribers faster. Bye and see you in my next video.